Let I show you, brother and sister. I arrived on the ferry again, and I show you the scene of the morning. This is dog, beautiful dog, and this is the ferry down parking that you can use the car. This is the beautiful Iceland harbor, and that is the beautiful, that is all, everything you will see. And I show you another ferry is going from here. Wow, stunning, beautiful morning from this. That is little big ferry. Stunning, beautiful, really. From my this is the sea. Almost now started. If you see the ferry from here, we are almost ready to go.